What's the biggest upgrade to Bitcoin since it was created? It's called Taproot. But what does it actually do, and why should you care? Let's break it down in simple terms. So, Bitcoin's been running strong since 2009. But just like the apps on your phone, even Bitcoin needs updates to stay sharp and secure. Taproot is one of those upgrades, made to boost privacy, efficiency, and give Bitcoin more flexibility. Before Taproot, some Bitcoin transactions, like multi-signature ones, stood out on the blockchain. They were easier to track, kind of like leaving digital footprints. Taproot changes that. Here's what Taproot actually does. Now, complex Bitcoin transactions look just like simple ones on the blockchain. That means better privacy for everyone, because no one can easily tell what kind of transaction you made. Whether it's a basic payment or a smart contract, they all blend together. Taproot also saves space in every block, which means more transactions can fit at once. That means lower fees, faster transactions, and a more scalable network. And maybe the coolest part, it sets the stage for more advanced smart contracts and new features down the road. When did all this happen? Taproot officially went live in November 2021. It didn't just show up overnight. It was years in the making, with tons of developers, miners, and users working together and voting for it. Now Taproot is slowly being added to more wallets and services all over the world. So why does Taproot matter to you, even if you're not a coder, miner, or tech geek? It means more privacy, lower fees, and more ways to use Bitcoin in the future. Think of it as a big upgrade that makes Bitcoin ready for whatever comes next, without changing what makes it valuable. Now you know, Taproot is Bitcoin's biggest upgrade, bringing more privacy, efficiency, and potential. Want more simple Bitcoin lessons like this? Hit subscribe and keep learning with Block and Learn.